Today I'm headed to the trail to do some intervals at 10K race pace. Just got back from my run, gonna make a little lunch. This week I'm doing a Costa Rican thing called gallo pinto. Well, trying to. I couldn't get salsa lozano, which is basically the main ingredient, so it's pretty much just beans and rice with eggs on top, but it's still pretty good. Just got a new set of wheels for the gravel bike and a set of Pan-Racer gravel kings. Gonna try to set them up tubeless. That was tougher than it needed to be. We just got the tire seat without even putting sealant in it. Alright, time for the other one. The key here is to take out the valve cores so you can get air in faster. I managed to get the tires to seat pretty easily without a compressor. Then I used a sealant injector from KOM Cycling to get the sealant in without making a mess. The whole process was a heck of a lot easier than I thought it was going to be.
You guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.